What's up, guys? We're at CES 2015 and we're hanging out with Silverstone. And as you've seen with some of their cases, they're trying to make things smaller. Again, we are taking our systems to LAN parties and we're moving our systems around. And we don't want, a lot of us don't want that big tower on our desks. So what they've done with their power supplies is they've, moved them down. They made them smaller. Normally a 1500 watt power supply is extremely long. A lot of times you have to make sure you have the right case for the actual unit. So this is the smallest 1500 watt power supply that you're going to see. And as we move down, we go to the 750, and the 750 is actually the smallest as well. And what's really great about the 750 is it fits the actual ATX power supply specification. So a lot of times you're stuck with a 400, 500, maybe 600 watt in that specification. Now you have the 750 there to give you that extra power. And if we move down, we have one really cool power supply. This is the Nightjar fanless. So if you don't want a lot of noise, completely all fanless. And you can see it has that titanium look to it. It looks really great. And this one is 80 plus platinum certified. And we move down to the SFX models. And again, with these smaller cases, you can only fit an SFX power supply. So of course, Silverstone has those for you. And we have the 500 watt, and moving down we have the actual 600 watt. And you can actually see how small this is. They just made it smaller and made it easier for installation in their cases. And to save the consumer even more money, we have the 550 watt SFX, but this one is wired, as with the 600 was actually modular. And that basically gives you the same price as the 450 modular, but this one's 550. So you get that extra 100 watts, but you do sacrifice because you do have the cables. But again, if you're just running this once, saves you $100. It makes it really easy. So the entire power supply line from Silverstone, just helping the consumer, making things smaller, but again, you still have that awesome quality.